You know how clients going to be all the time asking me one of the most basic questions that is probably one of the most difficult to ask if you really don't know what you're talking about. And that's it, Deonte, how much life insurance do I need? And I got a simple solution for anyone in regards to they trying to figure out how much life insurance that they need. Okay, because you get all kind of people, especially somebody trying to sell you a product, throwing all kind of crazy numbers out to you and everything, or they'll just because they don't know how to explain it, just to give you prices. If you get, insure for 50,000 is going to cost this, 100,000 is going to cost this, 200,000 is going to cost that. But I got a basic formula, a rule of thumb for you to follow to let you know how much you need to have in life insurance. Okay, here's the basic thing you need to do. Well, before I get started, I'm Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, Mr. Short Dollar, where we talk about personal finance, entrepreneurship, business, and real estate investing. Easiest thing to do, hit that dollar sign in the bottom right hand corner, stay subscribed, update on the information. Back to the rule of thumb in regards to how much life insurance you need. Here's the deal. When we look at life insurance, look at the sole purpose of life insurance. The life insurance, the purpose of it is to do what? Replace you as an individual. Okay? And when we say replace you as an individual, we know that everyone has certain debts, responsibilities that they had to have covered. Okay? So at the end of the day, you need to kind of just do a look at what? The things that you have that you're responsible for and things that you have covered and the things that you or things and people that you want to take care of and protect in the future. Okay? So let's look at it. If you have outstanding bills, just say car notes, mortgages, and things like that, that you know that you need to get covered. Those are one of the basic things you know you need to make sure that, listen, I got enough life insurance to pay that car off, to pay this house off and everything, especially if you got family that you're leaving behind. The next thing is, if you know you got young heirs and things like that, children or whatever, you know, they possibly want to go to college, you want to make sure you got enough money set to the side to cover them, through college. Worst case scenario, having those set aside to pay at least that first year or so in college, okay? Because that number can be astronomical if you have multiple children, okay? The third thing you want to look for is, you want to make sure that your income or what you've been able to bring to the house is at least covered for 10 years, okay? 10 years. You may pull back a little bit if the number too tough for 5, but at least covered for 10 years, okay? So again, we want to make sure we covering those debts. That be your car notes, credit card bills. A lot of them probably going to vanish when you die and everything as far as the credit card bills. But those main debts that you know still going to stay around after you die, the mortgages, car notes, student loans, you want to make sure we can cover that kind of stuff. The next thing is our children's education. Make sure we try to cover that as best we can. If you got multiple children, kind of get a ballpark number. If you can't cover X amount of dollars for each one of them, ideally that'll be the best thing to do. But at least cover the first year or two for each one of your kids, putting that to that grand total. The next thing is replacing yourself. We're talking about that income that you're bringing to the table, that you can at least cover it for a minimum of 10 years. And whatever that aggregate number that you have from that point, that's what we want to look at least, we'll at least cover it for that amount. Okay? I want you guys to make sure you keep that in mind. We ask that question, how much life insurance do I need? When you get that number, it may be like, wow, that's not gonna be too tough or anything like that. Or you look at it, you might be like, whoa, and everything. But at the end of the day, we don't choose when we're gonna go. We don't choose when we're going to go. And I know everyone loves their family. I know everybody wants their family to be in a great situation. So keep that in mind. Do you want your family to be in a great situation, or do you want your family stressing, trying to do GoFundMe accounts, sell plates, and try to fundraise, do all kind of stuff to put you in the ground? We don't want to do that, especially like a situation like now. You've been informed on how much you need. Now you know. Now the ball is in your court to do it. Here's the deal. Say if that number is so high you can't do it, do something. Do something. Don't just avoid the whole situation. But again, that's a basic ballpark, the way ballpark figure or process to actually calculate how much you need for life insurance to cover yourself. Again, I hope that information helped. I'm Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel by hitting that dollar sign at the bottom right hand corner so you can stay updated with more information like this and future videos coming out later on down the road. Take care of yourself, and I'll talk to you later.